phone keeps disconnecting from Wi-Fi on Android. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how you can solve if your phone keeps disconnecting from your Wi-Fi on Android. So make sure to watch the video till the end. If your phone keeps disconnecting from Wi-Fi, first of all, you want to make sure that it is not the issue with your Wi-Fi. So you might actually want to try to contact the internet service provider and do everything and restart your router a couple of times to hopefully figure out that is the issue. And if that is not, then only we can come to a conclusion that the issue is happening with our device. Now, what we can do is we can open up settings first, and then you can tap on the search bar and you can check if you have your device updates available. So if you have any sort of update available, which means your system update, let's say, then you can just try to update it to the latest version. And after you've done that, what you can do is, if it still doesn't work, scroll down, then just go to this option that says general management. Under general management, you can simply go to one of the options that says reset. Under reset, you can try to reset all the settings. So tap on reset all settings, tap on reset settings option and see if that helps you. If that doesn't, try to factory data reset. If nothing works at the very end, right, just try to erase your device to the factory default version and reset everything. It will delete everything, so make sure you back up your data as well. And then after you've done that, you should hopefully be able to solve the Wi-Fi issue. If you have any questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end and see you soon in the next video.